Welcome to Rescheck.info, the world's #1 source for high quality, low cost, fast turnaround Rescheck reports. Get your Rescheck started now. Today, we're going to talk to you about North Carolina Reschecks and the North Carolina Energy Code. You can find any of these articles on the Rescheckspert blog, the web's #1 blog and resource on Reschecks, green homes, insulation, building components, and energy efficiency. The North Carolina Energy Code and North Carolina Reschecks. As the Reschecks reports we see every day coming from jurisdictions in all parts of North Carolina increase, we want to discuss the North Carolina Energy Code. North Carolina is a very interesting position. On the west side of the state, they have the Appalachian Mountains. On the east side of the state, they have the coastline, and even islands with the Outer Banks. When I built houses in North Carolina, their contractor's license was always a great one to have, even for other states because of the reciprocity. North Carolina is a state where you can find almost any construction scenario and terrain. The same is true with the Rescheck energy reports. If you want to build a home, addition, or alter your existing home in North Carolina, you need to be prepared to present a Rescheck report prepared for the North Carolina Energy Code to your building department. As far as states that require the reports 100% of the time, I have never seen a project where the contractor, subcontractor, or homeowner did not need one. The North Carolina Energy Code was legislated into being in 2011 and began being enforced in 2012. Interestingly enough, the North Carolina Energy Code is a mix of 2009 IECC and 2012 IECC energy codes. It's standing right now being slightly better than the 2009 IECC. North Carolina is progressive in its energy code and continues to make upgrades and changes that are state-specific and no doubt needed. The savings that will be created by North Carolina by the year 2030 is projected to reach $490 million. An individual savings on a single home can easily reach $1 million over the life of the home. Overall, the North Carolina Energy Code has been great for the state, contractors, designers, and homeowners alike. In a state with such diverse terrain and building areas, one common code was needed that united everybody. The North Carolina Energy Code did just that, and through the use of Rescheck reporting, they allow everyone in North Carolina the ability to use a common software to check their construction project's compliance. If you need help with the North Carolina Rescheck using the North Carolina Energy Code, we offer those for just $79. Click the Buy Now, go to the Custom Rescheck report. We'll be started on it instantly. Thank you for listening.